All right, let's look at the homework 7.9, problem number 4. All right, so we're going to use the double integral to find the volume of this solid shown here. All right, so let's do that. All right, so here's the region, and I actually drew the base region. So base region is we're looking at the triangular region there. All right, so we have a volume V is equal to. So we set up a double integral, right? Then we have here, so this is the surface here, surface equation, so 1 minus x times y. So we're going to put that 1 minus xy. And I'm going to probably do it with respect to y first, and then with respect to x. Right? You can do it either way. Alright, so for fixing x, so if you fix the x value, and you can see that y value starts from here, which is y equals x. So this is y equals x here, and all the way to y equals 1, right? So here, lower limit is going to be x, and upper limit is going to be 1, right? Then x value is going to start from, so we're going to start from x equals 0, which is going to be from here to there. Then you keep covering, keep increasing the x value to try to swipe the entire triangular region all the way up to x equals 1. So, so x is going to go from 0 to 1, right? So let's evaluate this. So this is going to be equal to, right? So leave this integral alone, right? Antiderivative of x with respect to y would be y. Negative x is just going to be a number, and antiderivative of y is y squared over 2. And you are going from 0 to 1, and we'll do it with respect to x later. All right, integral from 0 to 1, right? All right, plugging 1 for y, so you have a 1 minus x over 2 minus, right, plug in x, so you have a x minus x squared times x cubed over 2, right, with respect to x, right? And I'm going to clean up a little bit here. So this is going to be integral from 0 to 1. All right, so let's see. Maybe I'll do the highest power. Highest power is the cube term, so it's going to be plus x cubed over 2. Right? So that's negative sign distributed to this guy right here. All right? The next term would be x term. So you have a negative x over 2, and you have another negative x, right? So this is going to be negative 3 over 2x, right? So that will take care of negative x over 2 and negative x, right? And the last term is a constant term 1. So we're going to have a plus 1. Right? Then we need to integrate this, right? So antiderivative of this would be add 1 to the power, so x to the 4th over 4, so there's a 2 there, so that's going to be 8, minus 3 x to the x squared over 2, but the 2 was already there, so it's a full, over 4, plus antiderivative 1 would be just x. Then going from 0 to 1, right? So by plugging 1, you're going to get 1 over 8 minus 3 over 4 and plus 1 minus, if you plug in it x equals 0, it's all 0, so I'm not going to write that. right? So this is going to be equal to, right? Common denominator would be 8. So 1 minus, so this is going to be 6. And 1 is 8 over 8, so plus 8, right? So we have, let's see, so 8 minus 6, 2, so it's going to be 3 eighths. Right, so let's type in 3 over 8, right? So let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.